Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, wherever we are. My name is Khem Pokhrel. I am country director for Nepal at Tropical Health and Education Trust UK. So I am presenting about the postcard for hope, Nepal's perspective. So Nepal has experienced nearly 800,997 cases of COVID-19 till date since the first case was detected in January 23, 2020. So about 11,210 deaths were recorded due to the pandemic so far. Also, second wave of pandemic, which started in early September 2020, had a devastating situation resulting lack of ventilators, ICU beds, and oxygen supply in the country, which led to many deaths and many infection and transmission around the country. The COVID cases went up nearly 9,000 and deaths toll up to 2,056 per day. We have limited health workers and they had the most challenging time to work without PPE and with high risk. So we have limited number of infectious disease specialists, ICU nurses and few hospitals to deal with COVID-19 cases in the country. And many sanction posts were not filled, which were purposed in the hospitals and health facilities, and there is lack of accurate estimate of required doctor and nurses in the current context of COVID-19 and increased demand for other maternal and child health services. And those staffs who are available in the country, they have limited and they have limited capacity in leadership and competencies. High workload of doctors and nurses and exposed to high risk due to inadequate PPE supplies and infection prevention control practices in the country. So, the country has initiated to prevent, control, and management of COVID 19 cases. And all the health workers and female community health volunteers received COVID 19 vaccine in the first 100 days of 2021. And the country and society had the high honor of health workers who lost their lives during the treatment of care. The government has provided additional 50% of allowance of their salary to the health workers, nurses, and those who are supporting in the pandemic. And also, private sector was harmonized to provide COVID-19 services and strengthen their capacity in terms of ICU, oxygen, medicine, and supplies. And the private sectors were supported by the government in the health system. So, regarding our vaccination coverage and vaccination progress, 22.1% of the population is fully vaccinated as of now, and at least one dose was received by 27.6% of the population. And the country is planned to vaccinate all the target groups and children above 12 years by May 2022. And regarding the human resource fulfill, the government is planning to fulfill the sanction post of doctor and nurses and increase the number of sanction posts to provide uninterrupted services in addition to COVID-19 treatment and management services. So there is a need to restore basic public health services such as maternal and child health, nutrition, gender equality, leadership and governance in the current context, which were shadowed due to COVID-19. What THET works in Nepal? We are working to help nurses to improve their leadership and competencies to deal with the pandemic and related clinical practices. There is nursing fellowship program for early career nurses to increase their competencies, leadership, communication, and clinical practices, which was supported by Ministry of Health and Population in terms of coordination and technical backstopping. And we are also providing technical backstopping to Ministry of Health and Population in health system strengthening activities currently. Thank you very much for listening. Thank you.